Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar to share with you, and I've got an e.l.f. advent calendar. This is No One Loves You More. This is a 12-day calendar and it retails for £45. They have got a 24-day calendar and that retails for £95. I'll put both of them down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you do click that, that'll bring up my description and you'll find them down there, as well as my advent calendar giveaways on Instagram and all my offers and discount codes for different brands and things. So yeah, you'll find it all listed down there. I think this is my very first e.l.f. advent calendar. I'm not that familiar with e.l.f. I've tried a few products over the years, but I thought this would be a good way to try some of their best sellers maybe. So yeah, so let's get on to opening up day number one, wherever you are. Over here we've got a Wow Brow in neutral brown. I'm guessing this is a fibre gel maybe. There. What's the shade like? Just a little bit on the corner. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's all right. I wonder what the staying power's like. My eyebrows are microbladed, so I tend to use pens to draw little strokes, or sometimes pencils as well, and then a really strong holding gel just to put my natural brows in place. But yeah, let's see what the staying power of that one is like though. Day number two. Over here. My nails, I can't get them out. I can't get them out. Oh, I found a Lottie London makeup brush to help me. We got a lipstick. This is a satin lipstick in Sugar Plum. I think the writing is quite small. I love the packaging. That colour is gorgeous. That's so pretty, but how dark is it? Oh my gosh, that's stunning. Look at that. That is so, so pretty. That is beautiful. Doesn't really suit my lips. My lips are quite small, so any dark shades like this, not the best. But I can get away with it by doing quite a minimalist eye, especially if I pull my hair up and off my face. Yeah, I think I can get away with it then. But that is such a gorgeous colour. I do really like it. But it's not an easy one to pull off. Okay, what number are we on? Day number three. Oh, I'm terrified my nails are going to pop off. The frustration going on behind the scenes trying to get these bloody things out is, oh my god, they're so hard, even with nails and a makeup brush. Whew, calm now. We have got Holy Hydration face cream. Well, this looks nice. Doesn't say anything about it really. Would you say? Yeah, I'd say about a week. Maybe. It feels nice. So we've got a face cream. I forgot to do sniff. No scent. Day number four at the top here. Got a palette. This is a mini palette in Berry Bad. And I think I have had this one before in a beauty box. Was it a glossy box or a Look Fantastic box? It's beautiful. Yeah, I'm sure it's the same palette. I'll have to have a look through my collection. What is that? Day number five down here. Got a brush. This is a e.l.f. blending brush. Nice soft brush. Yeah, I love a brush. Day number six. Up here. It looks like a chrome liquid eyeshadow. Liquid glitter eyeshadow in She's So Cold. See there. That's really pretty. It would have been nice if we had a coloured one though, like an emerald green or a berry purple or something like that, or even like a navy. Oh my gosh, a metallic navy. Oh, that would have been stunning. To me, this is quite dated. It might not be, it just reminds me of when I was a teenager. I used to love these shades for applying on top of a winged liner. So I do a massive winged liner and then using a very fine brush, I used to go over the top of the winged liner in the silver just to make the winged eyeliner stand out. I used to do that all the time when I was a teenager, which is a long time ago. So that's why it just seems dated to me. I don't know if I would actually use this now unless I was trying to think, unless I was doing like a halo eye It depends on the colours. With purples and things, it would look really pretty. Yeah, it all depends, but I would have been much more excited if this was a gorgeous berry type colour. Yeah. Day number 7 down here. That took ages to come out. We've got a full-size luminous putty primer. This was trending. Was it about 2 years ago maybe? And I bought the dupe. Revolution brought out a dupe of this. So this is the very first time I'm actually trying the original putty primer. It's luminous one, so I'm a little bit apprehensive about this one. Because for me, the reason I went for it initially, well, the Revolution one, was because I got loads of large pores all across here and a little bit down there as well. I love rubbing in a blurring type of primer into those pores to fill them up, to give me more of a like flat surface. But with it being luminous, that sort of contradicts in a way. It could fill them up, but then it's going to draw attention because they're going to be shiny. I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely luminous. It looks pearlescent, which is not what I want to put on. Can you see? It's not what I want to put on my face. Well, not in the middle area. Definitely not in the middle area of my face anyway. I would probably put that around here, just where I put highlighter. I don't need a putty type primer on my skin around there, not really. So it's a bit weird, isn't it? I think so anyway, but I haven't tried it. We'll give it a go. Day number 8. Oh, the calendar's starting to fall apart now. What have we got here? We've got a makeup mist and set. And there's 60 mils here. Oh, what is this like then? What's a spray like? Ooh, no, that's nice. Yeah, nice. Not too powerful. But yeah, no, I quite like that. Mist and set. Doesn't give me any information except that it's clear. That's all. So there's that. Day number 9 up the top here. We've got a Ride or Die lip balm in grapefruit goals. I love the scent of grapefruit. Gosh, it doesn't want to come out. Oh my word. That was really hard to come out. Oh my gosh. That smells amazing. I'm going to have to lick it. It's lickable as well. It is lickable as well. I had to do it. It just smells amazing. Yeah, really, really nice. Although, really hard to get out. But yeah, that's gorgeous. Day number 10, up the top here. I've got a lip lacquer in shade Fantasy. So this is like a top coat. You can just see a tiny, tiny bit there. But I'll add some to the lipstick here. So yeah, you can either use it on its own, or you can apply it on top of other lipsticks as well to give it more of a sheen. Yeah, that's pretty. Lip lacquer. Day number 11. Can you tell? I think it's a beauty blending sponge. Yes, the shape of it. Yeah, I'll be fine as soon as it's dampened down with water. That'll puff out again. Yeah. A squished sponge there. Last item in the calendar, we might as well do it this way. We've got some eyelash curlers. So there you go. So those are all the items inside this year's e.l.f. 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar. The cost of the Advent Calendar is £45, and there was an offer on when I bought it to receive 2 free minis. I've got a cream, I've got a moisturiser, and I've got a mascara, but you get to choose what you want. So yeah, I think if you're new to e.l.f. and you want to try their products, this is a good affordable Advent Calendar. A beauty blending sponge is handy, but it's boring. It is really boring. Whenever I see them in beauty boxes or Advent calendars, I just think, oh, they're just add-ons. Everyone's got a beauty blending sponge. Well, I'm guessing anyway, or you know, they're easy to get. There's just a couple of pounds. They're easy to get, so they're not really exciting. They don't represent a brand for me then, you know, which is what I hoped for with this advent calendar. Same with eyelash curlers. They're a handy thing, but most of us have already got a pair, so it's not something that I'm constantly changing all the time and replacing. But saying that, there's a few products there that I am excited to try. I will give the putty primer a go. As always with all my advent calendar unboxings, I don't delve right in finding out exactly what each product is. I see it, think, ooh, okay, I'm gonna get it. I'm just gutted it's the luminous one. I would have preferred it if it was the matte one, or whatever the other one is called. I don't know. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? What do you think of e.l.f. as a brand? Have you tried any of these products before? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.